Let's draw a dog. This is going to be a step-by-step for drawing a dog. I'd love for you to follow along and draw a dog with me. To start with, we're going to draw an oval. The oval is going to be kind of sideways in that it's longer from side to side than it is up and down. It should have curved edges and be closed. There's my oval. Next, start at the side of the top of your oval and add a big curve, a nice rainbow curve that touches from one side, touches here, and it touches on this side. Next, we're going to add 2 more ovals up in the top part of our big curve. Those are going to be our dog's eyes. Let's add another line across and then fill in the part below. There, that's our dog's eyes. Next, we'll do a little line across, slide down to make a point, so it's a triangle that's pointing down. And then next we're going to add curves that come from the bottom of the triangle on each side. We'll add dots for where the whiskers would be. Dots on both sides of his face. We'll add ears by starting at the top of his head and making kind of squiggly, fluffy looking ears. Kind of looks like the Lady and the Tramp dog, or maybe some other kind of Cocker Spaniel with big fuzzy ears. There's our dog's face. Let's add a body. To give our dog a body, his body isn't going to go above his head and it's not going to go over by this side. We've got lots more space on this side. Find where you have more space on your paper and see if you can add a body. I'm going to make a nice curved line. My dog's got a pretty big body. That's okay. Dogs come in all shapes and sizes. I'll add a tail. And I want 4 legs. So I'll come down. I'm going to give a little shape and then go up. I'll add another back leg, down, little shape for his foot, and come back up. 2 more legs at the front, line down, curve. Your paws can be a bit more straight if you want. You can make more of a curved shape for his toes before you go back up. That works too. And there's our dog. I'm going to label this picture. If you can write the word dog too, if you want to, that's great. You could also write a name for your dog. My D is going to start with big line down. I'm also making sure that I have plenty of space to make each of my letters. I'm going to start with my big line down, jump up to the top, curve, bump at the bottom. There's my D. For a capital O, I'm going to make it the same size as the D. Curve, keep going all the way around, close it, there's O. G, dog, start at the top, curve, magic C, and then we do lit to line up and lit to line across. Dog, there's my dog. If you want to write lowercase letters instead of capital, I'm gonna erase, erase, erase. We'll do little curve like magic C. Keep going straight up. Elevator straight back down. There's D. For O, we'll start at the top of the small letter space. Curve. Circle around. Lowercase o is small. It shouldn't be as tall as the D. But we do want it right next to the D. Just a skinny line of space between them. Next, we're going to make our G. Start magic C, up, close your shape where you started, and then keeping your utensil on the paper, retrace, elevator ride way down into the basement for this go below G. Dog, there he is. I hope you had fun. Thanks for participating along with us. See you next time.